Hi, this is Tony Camara with SEO Design Solutions, and in this video I want to show you how I use page level controls to get a custom look and feel for every page. If you own the SEO design framework, then you know what the inside of the dashboard looks like. You've got these tabs that you use to set the global settings that will cascade across your entire site. So today we're just going to look at the layout, the header, and the footer sections. Let's see, I also want to just go ahead and show you, for example, for global settings, the page title and breadcrumbs section. You can see that here I have page title and breadcrumbs turned off. Okay, now let's look at the layout. I've chosen a wide layout as opposed to box. I've chosen to have a left sidebar on every default page, and I want that sidebar to have a 1/4 width across the page. So I've selected the sidebar width to be 1/4. Now for the style settings tab, I won't go into that now because there's just so many settings that you can use to dial in everything from the typography to the style of your silo navigation bar, but that's too much for me to go into this video, so let's just go over to the header section. So in the headers, I've used the drag and drop header builder to configure the various elements so that the header is set up exactly how I want it, with a logo. I've got another block here, a header block 1, which I have some text in that I control from the widget area, and the standard navigation set up in the configuration that I want. And then also as a global setting, I have gone ahead and created a basic 3-column footer using the drag and drop page builder, and then I just cut and pasted the code into here so that I can have that footer set up exactly as I want and for it to cascade across the entire site. Okay, so here is a global example page of all the global settings. Now let's go and edit this page and scroll down below the content area to the local page level settings and make a few changes. Okay, so let's display breadcrumbs. Let's display a custom header and pull in the slider block. Let's increase the size of that so that it is full width. Okay, and then also let's display a custom navigation on the page, and let's choose the silo nav for this particular page. Okay, for the layout, let's create a custom layout. Let's go ahead and, again, we had left was the global. Let's choose no sidebars on this page. Let's go ahead and turn off the footer and then make an additional change here to show the title on the page, since we had that turned off as a global setting. I'm going to update this page and then let's take a look. Okay, here comes the page. You can see we now have a slider in the header. You can see that the nav was changed to my silo nav. I'm showing both the page title and breadcrumbs. There's no left sidebar and there's no footer. So let's just look at the difference between these two pages. This is the standard setting with the footer at the bottom, the sidebar, different navigation, and then comparatively we've got the slider, different nav, title, breadcrumbs, and no footer. So you can see how we can use the global and local page settings to dial in a totally unique look for each and every page. So hopefully this gives you an idea of just how well you can dial in the individual look and feel of individual pages. Check out more videos on our homepage at SEOdesignframework.com. Check out the features page, and if you don't have the framework yet, I encourage you to get it. Thanks.